In this ReBankZ review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's claiming that it's making the creator $2,191 per day in just 60 seconds of work. I'm going to be telling you what this is and, of course, what this isn't. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out ReBankZ, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says world's first software turns your Dropbox, S3, and Google Drive into a money machine. Revealed breakthrough software made me $2,191.70 per day through 2021 with just 60 seconds of work every few weeks. So it's a pretty hypey sales page here. What this is addressing, what this is talking about is membership sites. So this is actually, they don't really talk about it on the sales page much, or at all perhaps, but it's about creating a membership site and using the power of your Dropbox or Amazon S3 in order to host your different products that you have in it. So that's the idea behind this. I know that Mosh has made a lot of money selling products online. He's made millions of dollars. But yeah, that's what this is all about here. Now it says step 1, get access. Step 2, connect your drive. Step 3, get paid. It's obviously not going to be that simple, right? Just like you're going to automatically get paid. You have to drive traffic to it. You need to make sure you got things set up right. That's the thing here. Now, the thing I like here, look at this. The income proof isn't crazy. It's not out of this world. Like this money being made here is normal money. Like making $1,500 a month from a membership site is very, very doable. So I love the fact that it's not showing that he's making thousands and thousands of dollars from doing this. It's a very doable thing here. And I appreciate that from Mosh. Now you've got some testimonials here from people saying that they've made money. I mean, they've got full names here. So maybe these are real people that have made money with the membership site. So that could possibly be, again, I can't verify that for you, but it could possibly be. But again, you shouldn't purchase these based upon these testimonials. You should purchase them based upon if you need to have a membership site builder in your business, and this is something that's going to be good for you. That's why you would want to purchase this. If we go down here more, you get some extra bonuses, blah, 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 blah. If we scroll down, what are you going to get if you purchase this whole thing? You get access to the software, the training, the customer support case studies, etc. Now I want to show you this. When you come to the sales page, make sure that you move your mouse away as a discount should pop up here. Now I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, but I want to make sure that you guys get the lowest price on this. Please give me a like if you like the fact that I show you these discounts and you want me to keep doing it in the future. What I'm going to do now is show you a quick demo video of this so you can see exactly how this works. Then I'll be back to show you again the members area, the OTOs, and the discounts.
Hey, hello everyone, welcome to this video and let me introduce with ReBankZ, the world's easiest and fastest membership site builder software. This software will automatically pulls content from your Amazon S3, Google Drive or Dropbox for you, create membership site and create all the pages for you. So first you need to log into your ReBankZ account and let me show you how. So this is the dashboard and you will get a complete overview of this application from the dashboard. You can see the revenue through sales, you can see the sales number, you can see your users, and you can see the team's number. So first you need to connect your Google Drive or Amazon S3 or Dropbox account to your ReBankZ account. So you can do that from the file hosting section. Go to the file hosting and you can see that here is the Amazon S3, Google Drive and Dropbox. So let me show you how to connect your Google Drive account. So just click on sign in with Google and you need to sign in with your Google ID. Alright, our Google Drive account is connected now. Now let's go to the funnel section and create a funnel first. You just need to click on create new funnel and put a funnel name and funnel tagline. So the funnel is created. Now let's go to the product section and upload product. Now you can put all your products separately into ReBankZ, sell individually, or you can put all of them together as a funnel and sell as a funnel. So first you need to import product from your server and let's click on import product, select the server, it's a Google Drive server, and select the account. Now select the folder where your product is already uploaded. So this is the folder, and now select the files that you want to add as a product in ReBankZ. So this is a PDF file. I'm going to add this, and this is a MP4 file, which is a video, and I'm going to add this as well. So let's click on import, and our product is imported finally, and you can see that the products are here. So you can delete the product, you can edit the product, or you can duplicate the product from the product section. Now let's go to the funnel section, and you can see that you can add products to your funnel from the product section. So now let's click on add your first product to the funnel button, and select product from the product section that you just added from your Google Drive server. So I'm going to select both of these product, and you can add sales page for your product, and you can create sales page from ReBankZ. I'll show you that later. I'm not going to add the sales page URL now. I'm just click here that our product has bonus available, and click on add product. So our product are added successfully. Now integrated all the payment process that you use, like let me show you, like JBiju, Warrior Plus, Warrior from Paykick, Start, PayPal, Stripe Card, and Stripe. So you can add payment gateways from the payment gateway section, and you can also add autoresponder. Let's go to the autoresponder section. You can use any of them from these 22 autoresponder. Then you can add the transaction email. The transaction emails are the email that your customer will receive when they purchase. So you can customize the transaction email as per your brand or your need. So basically it's a complete thing to sell anything you want as a single product or as a funnel. As for on-time price or for recurring price, it's a most complete membership site building platform on the planet. Welcome to ReBankZ and enjoy making profit. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.
Okay, again, so this is the backend area where you have everything all set up here. Now, there are multiple OTOs. First one here, you can get the unlimited edition. With the unlimited edition here, you get, that's what it is. You get unlimited, like extra features here, unlimited customers, all these things here. Now, if you move your mouse away, you can get a $10 discount and bring that price down to 37. Next one here says you can get 100 done for you. I believe it's 100 done for you products that you can add in. So move your mouse away, you bring the price down from 197 to 97, so that's a $100 discount. Next one here says you want to get 1,000 to 2,000 daily clicks. I believe this is him letting you put your retargeting a pixel on his sales pages. So if you move your mouse away, you can get a $50 discount on that. Next one, move your mouse away and get a $120 discount. You get resell rights for ReBankZ, so you can resell and keep all the money. Next one, they say they found a little loophole secret for making money. I don't know what it is. You can get a $10 discount or a $50 discount. I'm not sure. So it says both here. Next one here, if you want to steal their best selling funnels, you can get a $50 discount on that one. Next one, you get a $10 discount on 14 of their best selling products. Next one, you can have them do the work for you and bring the price down to 97. And the last one here is if you want your very own online store, and if you move your mouse away, you get a $50 discount on that one. So all these OTOs, completely optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about ReBankZ and what don't I like about it? If I say something that I don't like about this, like the whole $2,000 in a day thing here, not really telling you what this is on the sales page is not great. I like it. I would have rather that they be more transparent with the fact of what this is when they're trying to sell it to you. The reason probably why they're not being so transparent is because a lot of people, when they see like membership site builder, they don't get that excited about it. What do I like about this? If you were someone that is that understands the power of selling products and you want to sell your own products online, you want a membership site builder that's going to be a one-time price that you don't have to worry about paying monthly for, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at ReBankZ, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.